Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn parts of body quiz. So let's start. Hi kids, what is my name? Eyes. Hi kids, what is my name? Teeth. Hi kids, what is my name? Head. Hi kids, what is my name? Face. Hi kids, what is my name? Hairs. Hi kids, what is my name? Cheek. Hi kids, what is my name? Nose. Hi kids, what is my name? Lips. Hi kids, what is my name? Chin. Hi kids, what is my name? Ears. Hi kids, what is my name? Tongue. Hi kids, what is my name? Hand. Hi kids, what is my name? Thumb. Hi kids, what is my name? Fingers. Hi kids, what is my name? Nails. Hi kids, what is my name? Arm. Hi kids, what is my name? Belly button. Hi kids, what is my name? Belly. Hi kids, what is my name? Legs. Hi kids, what is my name? Foot. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.